Hello everyone watching my video. I am Naveen. Today in this video we are going to learn some idiom and phrases which are very common in use. Most of the people use those phrases or idioms in their day-to-day language, and we can also use those phrases in our day-to-day language when we are talking with someone, when we are delivering any kind of a speech somewhere. Then we can use those phrases which are those phrases are very common in use. So we start now. The first phrase is hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack means anything which is very difficult. That is hard nut to crack. We can say passing an IAS exam is a hard nut to crack. Passing an IAS exam is a hard nut to crack. We can say getting 99% is a hard nut to crack. We can say to learn spoken English, to speak fluently is a hard nut to crack. We can say it is very difficult. Or else we can say instead of this, it's a big deal. We can say it's a big deal to crack an IAS exam. It's a big deal to get 95%. 95+%, we can say it's a big deal, or it's a hard nut to do this, means very difficult. Next word is a piece of cake. A piece of cake means very simple, something which is very simple. We can say it's a piece of cake. We can say it's a piece of cake to ride any cycle. We can say it's a piece of cake to make any simple drawing. We can say it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake to swim. It's not piece of cake. It's a hard nut to crack. It's very difficult. I mean, any work which is very simple, we can say it's a piece of cake. It's very simple. The next phrase is icing on the cake. Icing on the cake means anything. I mean, anything good which is extra. Already you have got something good and another thing you find good, then that means that is icing on the cake for you. That is called in Hindi सोने पे सुहागा. Icing on the cake means when you get 95+% and along with that you get a reward, any kind of you get some gifts. You get some scholarship along with that, so that is icing on the cake. सोने पे सुहागा, that is icing on the cake. You get a job and along with that in starting only you get 1 month's salary in advance, so that is icing on the cake. सोने पे सुहागा, that is icing on the cake. The next word is cup of tea. Cup of tea means which is not possible to do for someone out of somebody's access. We can say out of somebody's power. In Hindi we can say ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. So out of somebody's access we can say, if I want to say about someone or about me only, if I want to say it's not my cup of tea, means we can say it's not my cup of tea. ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It's not my cup of tea. We can say to we can call like, let's take one example. If I want to say to jump from a height, it's not my cup of tea. मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It's not my cup of tea. It's not your cup of tea means ये आपके बस की बात नहीं है. It's not your cup of tea. To drive a car, it's not your cup of tea. तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. So two cup, simple. A cup of tea means it's not simple for somebody. Okay, so next phrase is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means only occasionally, sometimes. If you want to say once in a blue moon, in Hindi we can say ईद का चांद, or we can say कभी कभार. We can say he comes here once in a blue moon. वह यहाँ कभी कभार आता है. He comes here once in a blue moon. मैं उसके यहाँ कभी कभार जाता हूँ. तो I go to him once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means sometimes, occasionally. So these phrases we have learned today, and I hope you could understand those phrases well, and you would use those phrases in your day-to-day language when you are talking, or practicing your English. Then you use these phrases, and that will really help you in your improving your English language. So thank you so much.